How to set parental controls and screen time limits on any device. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up parental controls and screen time limits on any device, whether it's an iPhone or Android. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any important steps. Let's get started. So first, let's start with iPhone. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. If it's your first time setting this up, just tap Turn on Screen Time and follow the prompts. You can set it up for yourself or your child. Once it's on, you'll see a bunch of options like downtime, app limits, and content and privacy restrictions. Downtime lets you choose hours when the phone is basically locked except for calls and allowed apps. App limits let you set daily time limits for categories like games or social media. Content restrictions let you block adult websites, purchases, or even hide explicit music. Once you set a passcode, your kid won't be able to change the settings without it. Now for Android users, things vary a bit depending on your phone, but the easiest way is using Google's Family Link app. Download it from the Play Store on your phone and your kid's device. Set up a child's account if they don't already have one, and then link it with yours. Once it's connected, you can remotely manage screen time, set daily usage limits, bedtime schedules, approve or block app downloads, and even see their location if needed. It's super helpful and pretty easy to set up. And that's how you can set parental controls and screen time limits. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial for any specific device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one.